Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Android version and that you have the VPN credentials at hand. Open Settings and tap Network and Internet, then choose VPN. If you plan to use an app, install it now from Play Store. Once done, select Add VPN Profile or open the provider app setup screen. This is where you enter server address, type, username, and password. Make sure you know whether your provider needs certificates or a 2FA code before you proceed. Now you enter the core connection details: server address, VPN type, and authentication info. If you chose ICAV2 or OpenVPN, import the certificate or key file and set the identifier exactly. Mismatches will fail. Use advanced options to assign custom DNS, enable always-on VPN, and choose whether apps bypass the VPN. Once fields are complete, save the profile, double-check spelling and trailing spaces. This avoids common failures and ensures the tunnel negotiates successfully. Tap Connect and accept any Android connection prompts. You'll see a key icon when connected. Verify the VPN by checking your IP address and confirming DNS resolution through a trusted test app or website. Make sure traffic routes as expected. If it fails, review credentials, certificate expiry, server hostname, and protocol mismatch. Reboot the device and retry. For persistent issues, check the VPN app or system log for error codes. Then adjust settings or contact provider support for that specific error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.